sen ko halo gate ko joto ko ge johar te nyar metang nuana blog video re ar alim pahta set khun joto ko ge happy independence day ar nikto dulin chala lagin parrot nyel ar ready bara hakna lin ready bara katen okto ko hon huyuk kana nikto dulin chala parrot nyel ar ale set do tina gan tim ko yakna na kon halin dekha pe ar tina hor na ko bhiruk kana ar ape parrot nyel pe chala kana che banga gate ko na ko tabo comment lay pe ar tehenya parrot na chelka buja ona na comment tabo lay पे वीडियो तब कंटिन्यू तहन पहले से चलका को पैरेट ओना हालिन देखा पे जतो को गे दिला तबे चला हुई लेंगे
It must be fought, protected and handled. Freedom is something that is given. Freedom, and one of the greatest leaders, Subhash Chandra Bose quoted, always remember that the closest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. Of the day. Sri Palaniswamy Velasamy, he is a renowned engineer and prefecture of people Parade. With immense pleasure and profound respect, we request you all to rise and extend our warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest for today's magnificent Mr. Pawan. But a profound state recognition, identity and takes light on the significant events that lead to the historic milestone. The Constitution framework laid a foundation for the world's largest democracy, embodying equality and fraternity. Independence Day. As the six nations move ahead with a synchronized beat of drums, with their heads held high and ready to face any threat by Commander Krishna Nanda and Flag Bearer Sushri, there is salute from the chief guest and the truly represented body. Chandra, there is salute. An India that is not divided by caste, creed or drink. An India in which the creativity and enterprise of every citizen can find full and peace freedom. Seven security personnel and headed by our soldiers, self-respect, decency and hope. Every citizen body of nation. The significance of the independence, the existence of a nation.
रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत में रहना चाहिए। अंबर तले जग रहे हम तेरे।
Was ready? On your mark, set, go! ପକଉଛନ୍ତି ପବିତ୍ର ସେପଟେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ବିଲକୁଲ
Bye.